Yes, hello students. Today we will be discussing about coding and decoding. We will be learning about how we can code our messages and further how we can decode them. Okay, so in coding we will be having the letter coding, we will be having the number coding, and we will be having the substitution coding. In letter coding, letters are arranged in normal or reverse order or a combination of both to make a code language. In the similar way, in the number coding, number or symbols are assigned to the words. In substitution coding, some particular words are assigned to certain names. So we will be using all these coding methods one by one. So let's move on. Let's move to the questions. In the question number 1, what it is given? In a certain code, A, B, C, D, E means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then what will be the coded language for Himani? H-I-M-A-N-I. So you can see here, easily we can find out here. In the alphabet series, A is at the first position, B is at the second position, C is at the third position, and so on. Okay, so it means each and every alphabet is coded with the respective position of that alphabet in the alphabet series. Because A is at the first position, so हमने क्या किया है? A को कोड कर दिया 1 की फॉर्म में. B is written at the second position, so we had coded B at the second number place. Okay, the same way C comes at the third position, so we had coded C as the 3. So in the same way, Himani, H-I-M-A-N-I, H here is, you can see, is at the 8th position, so we had coded H as 8. I is at the 9th position, so we had coded it as 9. Okay, then now see, M is at the 13th position, so we had coded M as 13. A is again at the first position, we know. Now N is at the 14th position, so we had coded it as 14. Now I is at the 9th position in the alphabet series, so we had coded it as 9. So in the same way, we can code any of the alphabet if we want to count them as a numbers of their position in the alphabet series. So I think it is very easy. If you want to send some private message to your friend, so you can code your words like that. Okay, now move to the next question. Yes, in the next question, if 487563 is written as DHGEFC, then what will be the code language for 665748? Now you can see here in the alphabet series, at the 4th position, which alphabet used to come? D used to come. At the 8th position, which alphabet used to come? H used to come. Then 7 G, 5 E, 6 F, 3 C. So in the same way, if 487563 is coded as DHGEFC, so 665748 will be coded as, because in the alphabet series at the 6th position F is there. Again in the 6th position F will be there definitely. At the 5th position in the alphabet series E is there. At the 7th position G is there. At the 4th position D is there. And at the 8th position H is there. So I think you are finding it very easy, and you will be using this code language with your friends while playing, while going to the market with your friends or with your parents. So in this way you can use a code language, and you can give your friends the funny tricks. Just decode, just play. Okay, so you can use this code language while playing also. Okay, now move to the next question. Now in the next question we are having, if RTSUT is written as 97867, then what will be the code language for ZXXVY? Now see student, whenever you are doing the reasoning questions, just open your brain, think logically, think analytically, that what can be the respective answer for the how they had coded, okay, how they had used the code language. So you will be able to find out your answers. So now you can see here, RTSUT, it is coded as 9, 7, 8, 6 and 7. Now you can take the reverse gear from the alphabet series. Now Z is, they had taken as the first position, Y at the second, X at the 3, W at the 4, V at the 5, U at the 6, T at the 7, S at the 8 and R at the 9th position. So it means in the reverse order they had started counting the alphabets. Clear? Now the same way, because R is at the 9th position here, now you can see from here, and T, if we talk about T is at the 7th position from the back end. In the same way, if I am going for ZXXVY, Z is at the first position in the from the back end. Okay, X is at the third position from the back end. Okay, now V is at the fifth position at the back end, and Y is at the second position from the back end. Clear? So same way you can use this code language for your words, for anything you want to do while you're playing. Now move to the next. Now move to your next question. In your next question, it is given in a certain code. English is written as VMTORHS. Then what will be the code for Hindi? HINDI. Now you can see here, English is written as VMTORHS. Now they had used the back counting and the alphabet counting from the end also. Here A, B, C, D sequentially I had written on the top, and for the back I had written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the bottom end. So here if you can see, E is coded as V. So here E is at the fifth position from the front end, and from the back end which the alphabet is at the fifth position, V. So they had coded it as V. Now for the N, the next is N is coded as M. So from the front end you can check that at the 14th position N is there from the front end, and from the back end if you can see, M is at the 14th position. Okay, so this is the logic they had used to get decode English into VMTORHS. Now let's see how to decode Hindi. Now if you can see here, from the front end Hindi is at the H is at the which position? 8th. And from the back end if you can see, S is at the 8th position. Okay, so they had coded H as S. Now check for I. I is at the 9th position, and from the back end R is at the 9th position. Okay, now same for the N. N is coded as M, we had discussed here. Now D is at the 4th position from the front end, and from the back end which alphabet will be at the 4th position? Yes, it is your W. Clear? So this is the code language. This is little bit more tricky, so you can use this code language while playing with a friend that are more intelligent. Okay, those are smart enough. Okay, so now move to the next question. Now in the next question, what you are having this thing. If fire is coded as EHQD, then what is the code language for DONE, done? If you can see the alphabets clearly, yes, what you are finding here, each and every alphabet is replaced with the alphabet before it in the alphabet series. Before F, what used to come in the alphabet series? E. Before I, what used to come? H. Before R, what used to come? Q. And in the same way, before E, what used to come? D. So in the same way, in the alphabet series, before D, what used to come? C. Before O, what used to come? N. Before N, what used to come? M. And before E, what used to come? D. So what is the code language for DONE, done? CNMD. Quite easy. But student, you have to think over the logic. If once the logic is clear behind the coded language, then you are able to solve any of the question. Now move to the next question. Now move towards your next question. In your next question you are having, if punctual can be written as 4781975, then how can LUNA be written as? When you will be solving this question, you will be saying that, ma'am, I am finding it very difficult to solve it. How this P is coded as 4781975? It is very difficult. But when you reach to the logic of this question, you will be finding it very easy. This is very easy. See, P is assigned a number 4, U is assigned a number 7, N is assigned a number 8, C is assigned a number 1, and so on. Okay, so when you see this, how to decode this LUNA? This is quite simple. Here L is given a number 5, so it will be coded as 5. U is given a number 7, so U is written as 7. N is assigned a number 8. Okay, so it will be written as 8, and A is assigned a number 6, so it will be written as 6. So this was quite easy now, but you will be finding it difficult when you see the question. But when you will be thinking logically, okay, you will be able to get your answer. Now move towards your next question. Yes, students, now move to the next question. In your next question, you are having Z, Y, X, W is coded as A, B, C, D. Then how S, T, U, V is coded as? If you can see here, see carefully the alphabet series that I had written. Z is coded as A, okay? Y is coded as B. X is coded as C. And W is coded as D. It means front one alphabet, then the last one alphabet, then second alphabet, then the second last alphabet, third alphabet, and then the third last alphabet, and same. Okay, then how this STUV will be coded as, if you can see here. So S is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So S is replaced with 8. Clear? Then check for the T, so on, then U, then V. V is at which position? 1 2 3 4 5. So it is 1 2 3 4 5. So V is coded as E. So this was quite easy students, and very interesting to use in your daily life also. Okay, so if you will be able to reach behind the logic of the question, you will be able to do it. Okay, thank you.